It is a ethical question. Although in this situation you are also a victim, but you need to see how ethically you can answer this question. Option A says hold the information as it is your first impression. I would say don't do it. You will be exposed sometime later. So option A is not the right answer to do or right thing to do. Option number B says report the issue that team member gave you the wrong information. If you are going to tell them this thing, your own value will be in question, so don't do it. This is not the right thing to do. Deal it politically some other time. Option number C says redo the whole work and update the progress report. You need to update them that the report has some issues, and although you are updating the report, but you are not letting them that you are doing it. So option number C is not the right option to do. Now finally, inform that you have some misinformation and you did the report based on the old format, old data, and you are going to update it. I believe this is going to help you and help the overall impression too. The right thing in this situation, the right ethical answer is option number D. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.